Welcome to New Mexico, the land of enchantment. We are a state filled with culture, diversity, and beautiful landscapes. Join us for a road trip across the state as we share with you some of our state partners and highlight the 6 geographic New Mexico MESA regions that we have. We start our trip in Albuquerque, home to our New Mexico MESA main office, our central inner region, located at the University of New Mexico, and one of our partners, the Air Force Research Laboratory. Come in the fall, and you're likely to see the sky full of hot air balloons and smell the green chili roasting at your neighborhood store. Albuquerque is the largest city in our great state and houses our airport and many of our flagship cultural events, such as the Gathering of Nations and the International Balloon Fiesta. Here is a warm welcome from the UNM School of Engineering, where everyone's a Lobo.
Hello, my name is Christodoulou. I'm the Dean for the School of Engineering and Computing here at the University of New Mexico. And I would like to welcome all of you who are participating in this event. This is a very, very prestigious event, and we're very happy to be able to host MESA USA here in our state. Unfortunately, I won't be able, to see every single one of you because I'm gonna be out of town, but there are gonna be plenty of folks waiting for you, making sure that you have a great experience here at UNM. Thank you all for, making us part of this prestigious event.
Our next stop is Socorro, home to New Mexico Tech, the fiscal agent of New Mexico MESA. Also nearby is the Very Large Array, the National Radio Astronomy Observatory, and the Bosque del Apache National Wildlife Refuge. There are many exciting programs at New Mexico Tech, but they host EMERTech, an internationally recognized explosives research and testing center. To welcome us to Socorro, let's hear from Dr. Sharon Sessions, who is also a member of our New Mexico MESA Board of Directors.
Hello, my name is Sharon Sessions. I'm a professor of physics here at New Mexico Tech and also the director of the STEM Outreach Office. I'd like to welcome you to our virtual New Mexico Tech campus and say congratulations for making it this far in your competition. New Mexico Tech is a premier STEM institute in the United States, actually. So we, of course, specialize in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And one of the things that we really strive to do is prepare our students for solving the most important challenges that face humanity. And that process actually starts with you and the things that you are doing as part of this competition. So not only as a MESA student are you solving science and engineering problems and building that confidence and that skill set and presenting to a panel of judges, but you are also developing what's called grit. And grit, if you haven't heard of it, is something that combines your passion and perseverance, and it turns out to be the most important indicator as to whether or not you'll finish college. So congratulations. And how are you developing that? Well, by engaging in these hard challenges that you work on for long periods of time, which is exactly the type of preparation that you'll need to continue what you're doing, not just in MESA, but in college and beyond. So thank you again, welcome, and good luck.
We continue southeast to Roswell, New Mexico, home to our southeast region at Eastern New Mexico University, the Roswell campus. Southeast New Mexico is home to many agricultural and energy industries that serve our entire state, and is home to Robert Goddard and experimental rocketry. The region also hosts Carlsbad Caverns National Park, Billy the Kid's former stomping grounds, and you might even spot a friendly extraterrestrial at the International UFO Museum and Research Center. As we head west towards Las Cruces, home to our southwest region at New Mexico State University, you will pass by White Sands National Park and the Trinity site, where the first atomic bomb was detonated on the now White Sands Missile Range. Today, it supports NASA, industry, and Department of Defense projects, and is adjacent to Holloman Air Force Base. Let's hear a warm welcome to Las Cruces in the southeast area from New Mexico State University, home of the Aggies.
Welcome, MESA USA students, to the National Engineering Design Competition in New Mexico. I'm Dan Arvizu, Chancellor, New Mexico State University. Located in beautiful Las Cruces, New Mexico State is nestled in the Rio Grande Valley with expansive views of the Organ Mountains. Located just 50 minutes west of the White Sands Monument, 45 minutes south of Hatch, New Mexico, home of the Hatch Green Chili. And 50 minutes north of El Paso, Texas, Las Cruces offers a diverse experience for visitors and residents alike. As the only New Mexico land-grant university, NMSU is proud to have STEM at its roots. NMSU has a number of STEM degree plans spanning a multitude of different subjects that offer tremendous career opportunities. Among one of our most important goals at NMSU is to enhance student success and social mobility. This is driven by our commitment to learning, to degree completion, and career attainment. We're proud to say that students are at the center of everything we do. With such a diverse STEM focus, NMSU hosts an extensive number of STEM outreach programs year-round. In addition to these programs, we are proud to partner with New Mexico MESA in support of STEM education throughout New Mexico and beyond. Once again, welcome to New Mexico, and I wish you the very, very best.
The Southwest region is home to the Prehistoric Trackways National Monument, Spaceport America, and the nation's first official wilderness area, the vast and beautiful Gila. New Mexico can proudly claim one of the most diverse landscapes in the world, hosting snow-peaked mountains, white sand dunes, and large open prairies. Currently, New Mexico is in a state of drought and has been plagued by forest fires. As Smokey Bear would say, only you can prevent wildfires. Going north, we are home to our western region, housed at UNM Gallup and partnered with Navajo Technical University in Crown Point. Northwest New Mexico is home to the Navajo Nation, Zuni, the state's largest pueblo, and the Jicarilla Apache Nation. Chaco Canyon, in the Chaco Culture National Historic Park, preserves a major center of ancestral Puebloan culture dating between 850 and 1250 Common Era, including ancient Native American observatories. Did you know there was a place you could stand and be in 4 states at once? The Four Corners Monument is the only place where you can be in Arizona, New Mexico, Colorado, and Utah. The Northern Mountains are known for artists who have worked for generations and the landscapes they have made famous. It's home to the highest peak in the state and the cavernous Rio Grande Gorge. For at least 1,000 years, the people of Taos Pueblo have lived in the current adobe dwellings that were built by Tiwa peoples and still host a thriving community. The Northern Mountains are also home to Los Alamos National Laboratory, whose main responsibility is to ensure our nation's security through nuclear deterrence. The laboratory applies the best scientific and engineering solutions to our national security mission and to many of the world's most difficult challenges. And now a brief welcome from a former MESA alumni and current New Mexico MESA Board of Directors member, Danielle Matas. Danielle works at DART, the dual-access radiographic hydrodynamic test facility at Los Alamos National Laboratory, also known as the world's most powerful X-ray machine. Danielle manages the confinement vessels that they detonate the devices in.
Hello, my name is Danielle Matas. I would like to welcome you to the great state of New Mexico on behalf of Los Alamos National Laboratory. I am a former New Mexico MESA student, and I currently work at Los Alamos National Laboratory as an engineering manager.
The Dual-Axis Radiographic Hydrodynamic Test Facility, or DART, is a structure that houses 2 electron accelerators. The purpose of DART is to make X-ray images of hydrodynamic tests, or hydrotests, so named because during these tests, high explosives are used to make mock weapons assemblies, also known as test devices, with surrogate materials, hot enough to melt and flow like water. So how does DART work? It starts with a test device being placed inside the inner containment vessel at the firing site. To be successful, a great many things have to happen simultaneously with exquisite timing and precision. When DART's operators are ready, they begin storing large amounts of electrical energy in the capacitor banks that power both the injector systems and the accelerators. The capacitors essentially act like large batteries, capable of releasing a lot of power in a short time and on demand. We'll start in Axis 1. When the fire button is pushed, power from the injector pulse power system travels through a large transmission line, gaining strength as it goes until it reaches the injector itself, where the energy raises the cathode to a very high voltage, millions of volts. The cathode, in the form of a piece of velvet attached to a metal surface,